Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find freelancers on Freelancer app. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that go to that second icon at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to hire someone for a project, then for sure you need freelancers for that. And you have to click on that first option, the freelancers. And and now you can see the results. You can filter like hourly rate, or regarding the freelancer skills, countries, and so on. And you can save and add to your favorite lists that freelancers profile. And after that you can check them if you click on that my list. And now click on the favorites, and here you can see your saved freelancers profile. So this is really helpful, because if you do not have time in that moment to read everything about that freelancers offer, then you can save it and you can check it out later. So of course here you can search for your best person for the job that you are offering. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.